Hey, have you been wondering about putting oil on your face? It's very hydrating and I resisted it for a very long time, but I have started using this 8 Saints High Society Botanical Face Oil and I love it. I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and then tell you all about it, and I am so glad. So this has got some really great ingredients in it. So 8 Saints has a lot, most of their products have like the same base ingredients. This one has vitamin E, which is antioxidant. It has jojoba oil, which is very hydrating, and it has marula oil, which is omega-rich. So very great ingredients for your skin. Your skin will love you if you use this. And also don't forget your neck. I spent the first several decades of my life not paying attention to my neck, and I regret it, and so now I'm taking better care of it. And I feel like the 8 Saints product, I have a lot of 8 Saints products. I feel like the 8 Saints products are helping so much with that. So this is so nice too. You're gonna, after you wash your face at night, is when you're gonna want to do this. I'm going to show you. It only takes a little bit. I probably used way too much. But as soon as you start to rub it in, it starts to absorb right away. And it's just really nice. Hopefully you can tell that absorbed really well. And it smells nice too. So yeah, a lot to love about the High Society Botanical Face Oil. Don't be afraid to put oil on your face, ladies. It's very nourishing. It's good for your skin, good for your neck, and I have been loving this. I've been using it every night. Thanks. So if you use 8 Saints products, please put in the comments how many different products you have. I would have to actually count mine up. It's a lot. It's probably 10 or 12 different 8 Saints products. That's how much I love this company. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.